The D1 LVLP Sprayer is designed for ease of use, proposing clear markings on the frame to make adjusting settings trustworthy. The package consists of a comprehensive training guide, pressure regulators, oil and water separators, and quite a few nozzles, so you can begin working right out of the box. It can provide smooth, even paint utility with awesome performance. Constructed from long-lasting aluminum and covered with Teflon, this sprayer is built to closing, and cleansing it is a breeze. With the D1 LVLP Sprayer, every project becomes convenient, handing over professional-grade effects on every occasion. The Scotch Blue Painter's Tape Applicator revolutionizes paint prep by getting rid of the problem of manually making use of tape. In one easy motion, it lays down a fair strip of tape, way to its integrated sharp blade that ensures an excellent cut, no jagged edges, or choppy traces. The applicator capabilities a comfortable round manage and a felt pad that glides result easily across surfaces. It comes with a starter roll measuring 1.41 inches wide and 20 yards long, and the tape is UV, sunlight, and moisture resistant, appropriate for both indoor and out-of-doors use. Made with 45% renewable materials and a middle from 70% recycled content material, it's as green as it's far efficient. When the tape runs out, simply change in a new roll, and also you're proper to head. The Milescraft sand plane makes sanding tough surfaces convenient, whether you are running with concave, convex, flat surfaces or V-grooves. It comes with 4 interchangeable profiles and is compatible with well-known 5-inch sanding discs, effortlessly connected through Velcro for a secure preserve at some point of use. Designed to deal with hard surfaces, it ensures a silky easy end on every occasion. If you're into woodworking, recuperation initiatives, or much like flawlessly clean surfaces round your home, the Milescraft sand plane is a crucial device for reaching expert outcomes simply. The Reed Tools Guillotine Pipe Cutter is ideal for slicing pipes ranging from 3 to 8 inches. Its long-lasting frame and progressive blade layout make sure particular easy cuts with deviations as minimal as 1/8 inch on medium to high-density pipes. After reducing, there may be no need for extra machining before electric welding, and simplest minimum coaching is needed for butt welding. Designed for versatility, this tool works in tight areas, wanting just 4 to 6 inches of clearance. It cuts cleanly without leaving at the back of debris, and its non-stick lined blade is each lengthy, lasting, and clean to sharpen or replace. The mild taper on the blade allows for a seamless begin and end. The Griffin Adventure Tool is a compact titanium keychain tool engineered to update an entire drawer of essentials. This 12-in-1 marvel easily clips onto your belt, backpack, or keys, providing comfort wherever you move. It includes a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, Quinn bit holder, and hex wrenches 8, 9, and 10 millimeters at the side of a nail puller. The 5/16-inch wrench capabilities a unique ring notch, permitting you to use it even at the same time as connected on your keys. For precision enthusiasts, a 1/16-inch graduated ruler is integrated into the layout. Lightweight, durable, corrosion-resistant, and TSA-friendly. It's the remaining travel device. The Ox Tools Pro Kit with Chalkline and Blue Chalk brings performance and sturdiness to the Vanguard. Its standout feature is the fast twine retraction, which coils up 6 times quicker than traditional cords. The 100 toes, 8-strand cord is built to resisting breakage even underneath pressure. The bolstered take care of endures drops and hard use, even as the rubber-covered body provides each consolation and protection. A stopper button guarantees the cord remains tight and geared up. The package includes a 4 ounces bottle of high-visibility blue chalk, perfect for each indoor and outdoor use, with a mainly designed spout for clean, mess-free refills. The Hotme riveting tool features a one-of-a-kind layout with a quadruple swivel joint, enabling rivet installation in only one smooth motion. Built for durability, Its body is made from bolstered aluminum, whilst its operating components are made from excessive power carbon metallic, ensuring it withstands heavy use and lasts for years. Equipped with 5 interchangeable tips ranging from 2.4 mm to 6.4 mm, changing sizes is a breeze using the handy key. Its ergonomic deal with offers comfort even throughout extended obligations, and the 3 steel clamps ensure a strong, stable grip at the rivet, ideal for car repairs, agricultural work, sheet steel tasks, and creation. It's specifically powerful for gutters, sheet metallic, and doorways. The Franklin Sensor's Pro Sensor is a precision device for finding hidden structures like posts or beams, with as much as 9 sensors operating concurrently. No need for complex settings or calibrations, simply press a button and drift it along the wall. It accurately detects from any place to begin, even directly on a post, showing both middle and edges without a doubt. Whether it is single, double, or uncommon configurations, it handles all of them. Designed to work through drywall, it can also detect live wiring. Powered by widespread triple batteries, now not well suited with rechargeables, it turns upkeep right into a smooth, trouble-unfastened experience. The Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Toolkit is designed to securely maintain doors in location vertically, freeing up your arms for extra efficient work. Its standout characteristic is its versatility, fitting a huge range of doorways, inclusive of standard swing doorways, sliding doorways, and barn doorways. Whether your doorways are 1 to 1 3/8 inches or 1 to a few 4 inches thick, this tool can manage them, supporting weights up to 300 pounds. With adjustable height and the capability to level the door in 3 guidelines, it simplifies the setup procedure and saves treasured time. Using this package reduces the hazard of harm to walls or doorways, and it enables prevent injury through eliminating the want to hold heavy doors for the duration of setup. The Ryobi cordless sweeper from the OnePlus machine is ready with 2 huge 53-centimeter brushes that rotate closer to each other, correctly sweeping particles into a spacious 17-liter box. Whether you're dealing with best dirt or big creation substances, it tackles any mess on your workshop, storage, patio, or home. It easily handles nails, screws, timber scraps, plastic, and leaves. The adjustable telescopic deal with guarantees comfortable use, whilst the foot-activated transfer removes needless bending. Its obvious, easy to get rid of box lets in you to look when it's time to drain. Compact and area-saving, it folds for vertical garage, and as a part of the Ryobi OnePlus machine, the equal battery powers over 100 tools. Big red car stands are built from awesome solid metal with a welded frame for max strength. Each stand can help up to 6,000 pounds, making them perfect for most passenger vehicles. The peak is effortlessly adjustable from 11¼ inches to 16¾ inches, way to a specially designed teeth rail that allows for brief changes and stable locking. The stands function a huge pyramid-formed base for greater stability, and their huge footprint guarantees company touch with the automobile. Tested to meet ASME requirements, these stands are engineered for reliability and protection, supplying you with peace of mind at some stage in any process.